Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products to make your life easier and your skincare routine smoother. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the skincare world, the Daolyo Pimple Patches for Face. This isn't just any acne patch, it's considered the best hydro patch you can get for treating zits and blemishes. Now, we all know how frustrating acne can be, whether it's the occasional pimple or a more persistent breakout. The Daolyo Pimple Patches are here to make that struggle a little easier. These patches are made with hydrocoloid, a material known for its incredible adhesion, ensuring that the patches stay put all night without falling off. Whether you're sleeping or moving around, these patches are designed to stay secure, even under the pressure of a pillow. No irritation, no redness, just clear skin. What makes these patches even more effective is the blend of natural ingredients infused into each patch. Tea tree oil, salicylic acid, and calendula oil, all known for their acne-fighting properties, work together to reduce inflammation, shrink spots, and absorb all the gunk from your blemishes. The combination of these ingredients not only helps heal your acne but also soothes and protects your skin. The Daolyo Pimple Patches come in 4 different sizes, so no matter how big or small the blemish, you've got a patch that fits perfectly. Whether you're dealing with a tiny spot or something a little more stubborn, these patches have got you covered. Plus, with 300 patches in each pack, you won't run out anytime soon. The 4 sizes, 8mm, 10mm, 12mm, and 14mm, give you flexibility for all kinds of acne, from the small whiteheads to those larger, more inflamed ones. But the best part? These patches are almost invisible. They're ultra thin, making them perfect for wearing during the day or night without feeling self-conscious. You can go about your day with the confidence that your acne treatment is working discreetly beneath the surface. And applying them is a breeze. Just clean and dry the affected area, peel off the patch, and stick it on. Easy as that. One of the standout features of these patches is how they work overnight. Just apply one before bed, and let it work its magic while you sleep. By morning, you'll notice cleaner, calmer skin. The hydrocoloid works by absorbing impurities and moisture, which helps to reduce the size of pimples and prevent further breakouts. So, if you're tired of harsh acne treatments that dry out your skin or leave you with irritation, Daolyo's Pimple Patches offer a natural, non-drying alternative that's gentle yet effective. Whether you're dealing with occasional blemishes or more persistent acne, these patches are a must-have addition to your skincare arsenal. That's it for today's review. If you're looking for an easy, natural, and highly effective way to fight acne, the Daolyo Pimple Patches are definitely worth a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the best products out there. See you in the next video.